Karmelo Anthony's appeal will not be granted. I'm a criminal defense attorney. I'm going to tell you why. Now, no new evidence, okay? Jury selection. Batson was preserved, so they can appeal on that, but they gave non-race-based explanations as to why those jurors were struck, and they were logical, and they make sense, okay? From a defense attorney perspective, we like to strike educators, okay? Educators are tough jurors to convince of anything, especially when there are children that are in the mix, all right? Jury instructions. I'm not entirely sure that they preserved that objection. Okay, and if it wasn't preserved for the record, it cannot be appealed. There is nothing that anyone has seen thus far. Okay, well, he has an appeals team. They must know something we don't. Everybody has an appeals team. It's automatic. Okay, it doesn't matter who the appeals team is. Everybody appeals fiction. It's standard. It's pro forma. Everybody does it. Everybody does it. It's a route. We do it all the time. Okay? You absolutely always appeal on us because who knows? You might get a sympathetic judge. It's like, I don't know, maybe this might happen. That doesn't mean it's going to work. He will not have an appeal granted. And I'm tired of everybody running around saying, oh my God, there's such an injustice. He shouldn't have been convicted. He's innocent. A jury found him guilty. He is guilty under the eyes of the law. The only way he will not be found guilty is if he wins an appeal, which will take several years. I'm talking 3 at minimum, okay? 3 at minimum. And then it goes back down for trial, and he wins a trial. That's the only way this man gets out of jail.
That she believes this tent was doctored to the point where there's different shades of yellow that you can see.
This is the third week. We are still talking about what happened or what is going on with Karmelo Anthony and with the appeal they recently put in. At some point, you realize his supporters can't even stop reason. We are still reacting, sharing thought on these. There is something here that is going on, and legal minds are coming in to actually speak the truth on what they are observing. You saw at the beginning, this lady made it clear this appeal will be rejected. This stirred up a lot of reactions on social media. I've seen a lot of people pour out frustration, especially people that support Karmelo Anthony. And looking at this second guy coming out to tell us that, oh, the video they released was doctored. Oh, the 10 was this, has a lot of colors. So you will see that at the end of the day, they continue to spread conspiracy from one conspiracy to another. I don't understand why this is happening. It is very important we take an exclusive look into what is going on. If you love what I'm doing here, please hit the video and if possible, share out.
That he was jumped. None of the witnesses testified. Karmelo didn't take the stand. And so how do we know that this video exists?
We know the video exists because they were making available to public, but those who requested to see the video, they had to sign disclosure forms, and this shouldn't be breaking news to you, but it is if you say so. Okay, no, and as I was saying,
news. I'm just trying to understand if it's truly out there, and if you can let us know who the owner is. You're saying it's the Frisco ISD. Are you saying that Frisco ISD withheld this video that could have exonerated Karmelo Anthony? Is that what you're saying based on your information?
I appreciate you not.
I'm just asking a question.
Words in my mouth.
No, I'm not. Okay, so who has the video?
Okay, the people who saw the video, I believe it was the school, Frisco County. That's the name of the school. Right. They made requests to see the video.
Brother, I gotta ask questions.
Yes, sir. I understand.
You're saying Frisco ISD is withholding this video that could exonerate Karmelo Anthony. Is that what you're saying? It's a yes or no question.
And I'll ask you again. Please do not put words in my mouth.
Okay. Did they turn over the video? Did Frisco ISD turn over the video?
I do not know what Frisco did. I
Okay.
do not know
Well, why
if
do
they
you
are
think,
withholding the
why do you,
video.
in your opinion, why do you think they're not giving the video that could exonerate Carmelo Anthony that you say they showed to multiple people? Why do you think they're not giving it to they didn't give it to the court, they didn't give it to the prosecutor, they didn't give it to the defendant? Why do you
They
think
did. They do have it. They do have it. And that's the problem. That's the problem, because his defense did not allow that video to be presented to the jury. Oh, well, I'll take that back. They have it. I do not know if the jury saw the full 11-minute video. If the jury did see the full 11-minute video and still found him guilty, well, then that showed the racial bias of that jury, because from the reports, it's indisputable evidence. Please allow me, sir. From the reports, they are in this.
But you said that already, okay? I'm gonna give you a suggestion. All right. I don't think there's a video.
Yes, I just love the fact that this man is not allowing these people to continue to spew this nonsense, this conspiracy that they spew out every single day. This is what is circulating on social media. There is a video, there is a video. At the end of the day, you are not seeing any video. That is the most funniest part about this thing that these people spew every day. This one at the beginning said the video they put out, it was doctored. Now they continue to say there is something these people are hiding that they don't actually want. If that video is being aired, the whole case will collapse and maybe Carmelo Anthony will be out. This is crazy. If there was that kind of video, why were some people hide it? Yeah, the video will be out there. I don't believe there is anything like this, he said. You know, if you want to know how someone lies, it is very easy. They ask him a yes or no question. He's unable to actually even say yes or no, meaning he's not even sure of what he is saying here, but he continued to spew this. A lot of Carmelo Anthony supporters will follow this and they will accept that, yeah, he's speaking the truth just because he's on their side. This is why I always say this. If you don't have any...
Everybody would have it. It would have been seen by now. It's just a matter of pot. Let me finish.
And suppose you're wrong. Suppose you're wrong, though.
Respectfully, sir. It's just a matter of sending out a $25 subpoena and ordering the Frisco School Board to bring it forth. That's it. It's not a mystery.
Suppose you're wrong. Suppose it's not that simple. Suppose you are dead wrong that they're hiding the video.
I'm absolutely not wrong. You can't.
Well, how would you know you're not wrong, sir? How could you justly say that you know you're not wrong?
There's a video and multiple people have seen it. That means people can testify that this video exists and you've already demonstrated, you've described it, it's 11 minutes long, it's in possession of the Frisco ISD school department, and multiple people have seen it. It will come forth. Okay.
You know, when someone speaks like this with confidence, they need to be put to book. Yeah, they should come forward. Yeah, he says a lot of people have seen it, even describe the length of the video, like they are very sure. If there was that video, like they are saying, it's very easy to get this video. They will subpoena the school. Yeah, everything will come to the table. If they continue to put this out every single time, trying to convince people to believe what they are saying, like, it get me crazy. It is high time they stop all this nonsense. It doesn't work again. I want to appreciate people supporting, sharing out the videos. God bless you abundantly. As of the short tips you see at the end, that is a white agreement. You can always keep.
Fox News talking about, oh yeah, they had so much diversity when it came to the witnesses.
Was black. Rain asked me what the price that black attorney
we charge
$500,000.
Family had 24 hours to hire an attorney.
What?
Hey, you know, I knew of 7 people of experts that they chose not to use. Bro,
Yes, there were experts. There were resources that we donated for experts.
You can always keep.
So you can see.
What I'm talking about is 35 years. Carmelo Anthony was sentenced to 35 years. Yet at the end of the day, Black America repeatedly is told that self-defense is a part of the law.
The video is shown to jurors, but it was shown in 4K clear to the people that witnessed it.
It's because Karmelo is all of our babies.
In Collin County.
House intensifying. They were yelling.
I don't.
Oh, can you hear me? Yeah, no, I heard what happened. Listen, Cybertruck with your GoFundMe money. Bad news is you're going to jail, but
you're on my page, so you automatically know.
Guilty. Stay your ass in jail, boy.
People tend to not trust elections when it takes a real long time.
Sued Los Angeles.
Is that it's really important not to conflate.
So with all eyes on California, you can see exactly what's happening.
It goes on here in the Golden State.
In 39 days, we will know the winner.
Supports me is a Democrat.
Encouraging her fans not to vote for Pratt.